Looking for a broker that's best for beginners? We'll help you find your perfect match, making the process simple and stress-free. In this video, we'll break down the top 3 brokers for beginners in the United States, based on our experts' hands-on testing of over 100 providers, each checked against more than 600 data points. By assisting close to 1 million people over the past half year, we've pinpointed the key priorities for beginner investors: low fees, simple apps, and helpful learning tools. Let's jump into our top 3 list, highlighting 3 key advantages for each broker. Kicking off our countdown at number 3 is Robinhood. Robinhood shines with free US stock and ETF trading, making investing accessible for everyone. Its mobile and web platforms are top-notch, offering a seamless experience. Account opening is fast and fully digital, saving time and hassle. Perfect for the modern investor. Our runner-up at number 2 is Webull. Webull is awesome for free stock and ETF trading. Plus, they offer high interest on uninvested cash. The account opening process is fast and hassle-free. It's a modern platform that makes investing easy for everyone. And now for our number 1 pick, the best broker for beginners in the United States is eToro. eToro offers low fees on stocks and ETFs, making it budget-friendly for investors. Account opening is a breeze, perfect for those eager to dive in quickly. Their social trading feature lets users learn from others, creating a community vibe that's both engaging and insightful. Every investor is different, and the best choice always depends on you. To compare these brokers side by side and see our full detailed analysis, check out the complete guide on BrokerChooser.com. The link is right in the description below. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe and turn on notifications for more practical insights to help you on your investing journey. Thanks for watching.